People complain that the judiciary is blindly pro women. But I've read about a good few cases where the courts have said that not all cases of marital abuse are genuine. And that makes me wonder, do our courts ever disagree on such matters? Yes, they can. Let me tell you about a case where the couple got married in 2005 but had been living separately for a while. In 2019, the husband applied for divorce. Within 3 days of receiving notice, the wife approached the police, accusing her husband and relatives of assault, causing mental harassment, and misuse of her salary by her in laws. An FIR was registered against them. The husband and his family approached the Gujarat High Court, arguing that the FIR was retaliatory, filed just 3 days after the husband served his wife with divorce proceedings. They claimed that the allegations were vague and mele fide, especially against the in laws who lived separately. The High Court dismissed their petition, citing that the allegations warranted trial scrutiny. But upon further appeal, the Supreme Court of India found that while the FIR alleged assault and torture by the husband, the claims against his parents were limited to unspecified taunts and financial grievances without detail. Noting the delay of the 14 years after marriage in filing the FIR and its proximity to the divorce notice, the court viewed it as possibly being vindictive. Therefore, the court emphasized the need for caution in matrimonial cases where criminal proceedings may be misused against the in-laws. It observed that minor taunts and the absence of concrete evidence of dowry demands or cruelty do not justify a criminal trial. Accordingly, the court quashed the FIR and criminal proceedings against the husband's parents, deeming them an abuse of legal process. However, it allowed proceedings to continue against the husband, directing the authorities to proceed in accordance with the law. I guess that makes sense. Head to the comments to share your thoughts on this verdict and subscribe to Factly for more such informative content.